Hey Sherry 4x4, Brian and I are super excited to show off this 2021. This is a Jeep Gladiator Overland upfitted with the SCA Performance Black Widow package, and it is just that. It is an entire package on this Jeep Gladiator. So let's just jump right into it. First off, the bright white paint really looks awesome against these black accenting, and this is part of the one thing that SCA has done is they've painted this front grille here. You got your Jeep signature grille here, 7 slotted in a matte black, which really looks good. Also down here, you notice this is a little different, although it kind of looks like factory like Brian was talking, but it's an upgraded bumper here. And this bumper's got a few things going on that I will definitely point out. One, it's got integrated spots for tow hooks. You can actually move them down a notch too, so there's 2 holes for that. And they're accent painted to match the rest of the Jeep. Also, this is prepped for a winch. You can add a winch in there, bolt on, really easy to do. And on top of that, I'll just point this out here. On some Rubicons, you can get your bumper where you can take off the wings, right? Well, this one's integrated so you don't have to do that. What that allows for, as you're out on the trail, you can literally climb over the obstacles instead of hitting them with your bumper, which is nice. Also notice here you got your built-in fog lights down there. As we come up here, the hood has been upgraded on this Jeep. It's got the vents put in it, which really looks good. Again, kind of that black on white feel. This right here, I know a lot of you guys want to look at this. So 37-inch BF Goodrich. Brian and I were talking, I was like, have we seen 37s on a Gladiator before? This is awesome. 3-inch suspension lift on this allows these 37s to fit on there. 20-inch custom SCA wheel as well. What's really cool about this whole package, I turned it all the way both ways. It doesn't rub. They've really engineered this well. And who wouldn't want 37-inch? These are the mud terrain tires. They do really great on-road, but the performance off-road and the engineering behind this tire is unparalleled, and I'll challenge you to match it with anyone else out there in the industry, but this is the tire everyone wants. It does have Fox Adventure Series shocks in there, which is the shocks that all off-road enthusiasts are going towards now. And also, I'll have Brian get a good shot of it. We got accent painted matched coil springs in here. It's painted white to match the rest of the Gladiator, and linkages down there too. Really looks slick. Gladiator is a 4-door mid-size pickup truck. And I do want to mention, a lot of times I feel like the Gladiator is the brand of Jeep that really doesn't get the attention it deserves. It's one heck of a pickup truck. And in my honest opinion, if you're out there looking for a Wrangler, you gotta come look at the Gladiators as well, whether you're buying lifted or not, just because there's a lot of versatility that you get with the Gladiator. And it's not just an extended Jeep with a bed on the back. It is a really nice performance pickup truck. So on back to this particular Gladiator. We've got upgraded steps here, but these steps, they'll help you get into the Gladiator, but also they're a rock rail here, so they're gonna protect the rocker panels down here on this. It's a nice steel there, and even got a little spider cut out on the foot pads themselves. Coming on back here, this particular Jeep is an Overland, so you're gonna get the painted hardtop up here. It's painted to match the rest. That's from Jeep. And also you get your painted fender flares. The Overland is more of like what I would consider the luxury. You're gonna get leather inside, some nice stuff, and also the paint accenting back here. So I'll just kind of step back, and I want Brian just get a really good span of this, because this Jeep really looks good. All right, let's take a look here in the bed. So back here we got our Jeep logo, we got our Black Widow logo, and our Overland is set up for towing. Has your 2-inch towing receiver down here, and your factory wiring, your 7-pin for your larger trailers and your 4-pin for the small stuff. Even got a tow hook back here. Lockable tailgate. It's a dampening tailgate, slow release, and also has the factory spray and bed liner. And boy, did they do a nice job on this. You got cargo lights back here. You've got a few spots to tie down things. And this is the part that you don't get in a Wrangler, right? You don't get this, and it's fully capable pickup truck too. And one thing I always say about pickup trucks, you never know how much you need one until you need one. So definitely a really nice setup here. And we're gonna cut and we'll take a look at some of the cool stuff inside this really awesome Jeep Gladiator. All right, come on inside, take a look inside this Jeep. Brian kind rotate through the things while I'm talking. So 2 questions we often get on these lifted products by SCA is, one, who is SCA? SCA has been in the vehicle conversion business for longer than probably most of us watching this video have been alive. So they've been doing it for a long time. They partner with companies like Jeep to upfit their vehicles into specialty vehicles like this one. And in doing that, they provide full warranty. In this one, there's a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty that mirrors the factory warranty. A lot of times, if you were to do the things that SCA has done to this Jeep yourself, lift it, put bigger wheels and tires on it, there's going to be some issues with warranty. Well, by SCA having that relationship with Jeep, there is no issues with warranty. It actually complements the warranty, and Jeep gives them the thumbs up. It's also Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard compliant, meaning it's fully capable to go on the road and there's no issues there. The speedometer's been recalibrated. That's also another issue. When you start putting bigger wheels and tires on stuff, you're all whacked out here on the dash, and you're not on this one. Second question we get oftentimes is, how does financing work? It works just like any other vehicle you've ever purchased. So it's simple. Brian's actually created a website for you, and he'll post a link down in the description for that if you have any questions on financing. All right, back to the Jeep here. So Overland, you got the premium leather seats, you got Overland badging here. Check out the custom stitching in here. It's white. It kind of connects with the rest of this Jeep. And as we move up here, we've got the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. This particular Jeep is equipped with navigation. And I like this screen. You kind of got your nav and your radio buttons all in one. This does also have heated seats and steering wheel here. Turn that heated seat on. I'm getting a little hot. And then you got your nav screen, and then you've got your phone screen where you can connect through Bluetooth. Now also, you can plug in your phone to the media port down here in the USB, and you can pull up your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is going to give you real-time navigation. It's also going to give you cell phone capabilities such as text messaging coming through the radio, podcast, and things like that, which is really nice. So going on down here, as we come south of the radio here, we've got all custom painted accenting here. So this doesn't come like this. This is something SCA has done. All this dash surround and surround around the center shifter here all has been painted to match the exterior. As we go down here, we have buttons for your radio, buttons for your heated seats, things of that. So if you like buttons and not necessarily the touchscreen, Jeep's got you covered there. Power windows here, and then you've got your media port, and then the Overlands come with 4 auxiliary ports. So if you would want to add exterior lighting, maybe that winch for power, you can all tie right into there instead of having buttons that look kind of ranky drilled into the dash. Of course, 4-wheel drive, and it's got a manual selector here for your transfer case, 8-speed automatics in these, and a nice glove compartment in here. So all around has a lot of nice comfort features. The back has seating for 3 for a total of 5. It's really roomy back there. It's got a window that opens along the back and the rear window there. Of course, the side windows open. This being a Jeep, the doors come off, the top comes off. There's 2 pieces up here that come off really easy, and then the whole top will come off if you need it. And you, of course, have got your sound bar right behind your head. So if you never drove a Jeep, it's like any other experience, or it's unlike any other experience out there driving wise. It's definitely something to experience, and having a Jeep that looks different and performs different than anyone else's out there is what SCA does. So give us a call if you'd like to order one. If you'd like to look at this one, maybe if it's still available, we'd be happy to answer any questions for you. But check out our website. We've got lifted vehicles from a few manufacturers out there, the top rated ones, and we'd be happy to show you along. Thanks for watching, everyone.